All right. Not a lot of light, but that's okay. As usual, it's dark when I get home. I've actually been going to work. And now I have tomorrow off. Cool. So, this is what my head looks like. Okay. And we'll talk more about this tomorrow. But yeah, it doesn't seem like there's any problems here. Weird, right? So let me show you my crosshatch. Yeah, still has crosshatch. No joke. Check it out. Barely see it, but there definitely is crosshatch in there. That's what my cylinders look like. Doesn't seem like there's anything wrong with the cylinders. There's some stuff down there at the very bottom of the board. You can see that. Right? Weird. This is what the tops look like. Okay. Same thing here. Yeah. Block, of course. Yeah, man, look, everything else looks dandy. No issues, no problems that I can see or think of anyway. So, yeah. I'm going to spray this down with some WD-40 or whatever just to prevent any kind of rust or anything like that develops. But you can see, like, the top of the travel. Look how much squish area I have. I mean, yeah, that's a lot, especially around the valves. I don't, maybe, you can maybe kind of see over here. Maybe something was touching. I doubt it. Doesn't look like anything touched the pistons. I don't know. You guys be the judge of that. I mean, I really can't tell. See what I mean? So, yeah. I don't know. Anywho's, but, yeah, I will do some tests tomorrow and with this head, and I have this funny suspicion. You know, it'd be really messed up after I did all this work. It was just something stupid. Because it's not a head gasket leak either. No joke. It'd be really stupid. But I mean, I don't know why I got such low compression even when I put oil in the cylinders. So, dude, I got no clue. For real. Right? It just wouldn't start. So, yeah, the only thing that's worrisome is this right here. See that? How it's at an angle? That's worrisome. And this one right here is like that, but that one's like that. So I don't know, man. Maybe that's the cause of it. I don't know. Maybe it's me pulling on the engine, pulling it out. I don't know. I'll figure it out later. But yeah, dude, I got no clue. Anyway, it looks like everything else is in working great condition. So yeah, I got no clue really. But anyway, why it take me so long? Well, I forgot a bolt. I forgot about that exhaust bolt right there. Damn it. But yeah, man, glad I got this out. I'm going to go ahead and just do a nice little spray WD-40. And then I'm going to go and put away all my tools over there that you can't see. I'm going to call it a night. Or a day. Because, dude, I ain't doing anymore. Not anymore. Nope. Ain't touching anything. None of that. Just staying right here. I'm going to probably have a cigarette. And then I'm going to go lay down. Get some shut-eye. And then tomorrow I got a doctor's appointment and boom. But like I said, man, I mean, engine's been pretty darn well taken care of. Block's in great condition, as you can see. There is no joke. I can see the crosshatch there, right? No kidding. I mean, I think that looks just fine. So, yeah. Yeah. I just can't give up on you, dear darling. I love you.